Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to turn that little device in your pocket into a money-making machine? Yeah, you heard me right. Today, we're diving into the top trending money-making ideas for mobile users in 2024. We're talking about side hustles, passive income streams, and legit ways to earn some serious cash, all from your phone. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and get ready to upgrade your life, one app at a time. First up, we're diving into the fascinating world of mobile app development. It's a realm where creativity meets technology, and the possibilities are endless. Now, before you freak out and say, "But I'm not a coder," chill, seriously take a deep breath. You don't need to be a tech genius to make money from apps. In fact, many successful app creators started with zero technical skills. Think about the problems you face every day, or something that would make your life easier. These everyday challenges can be the seed for your app idea. Maybe it's an app that helps you find the best deals on groceries, or a super simple way to track your fitness goals. That's your golden ticket. The key is to identify a need and fill it. Once you have an idea, you can either learn basic coding skills. There are tons of free resources online. Or you can team up with a freelance developer. The internet is your oyster. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are overflowing with talented people ready to bring your vision to life. You can find developers with a wide range of skills and price points. Now let's talk about making that money. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. You can choose to charge users a small fee to download your app, or even better, offer a free version with optional premium features. This freemium model is very popular and can attract a larger user base. And don't forget about in-app advertising. This can be a significant revenue stream if done correctly. By partnering with relevant brands, you can generate passive income as users engage with your app. It's a win-win situation. It's like printing money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to see your earnings grow overnight. But the real magic happens when your app goes viral. This is the dream scenario for any app creator. Imagine millions of downloads, a massive user base, and a constant stream of revenue. It's the ultimate goal. It's totally possible, and we've seen it happen time and time again. Remember Flappy Bird? That game took the world by storm. That simple, addictive game made its creator an estimated $50,000 per day at its peak. Incredible, right? And the best part? It was created in just a few days. This shows that sometimes simplicity is key. So don't underestimate the power of a great app idea. It doesn't have to be complex. It just needs to resonate with users. It could be your ticket to financial freedom, all from the palm of your hand. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be life-changing. Next up, we're diving into the exciting world of mobile gaming, where your passion for games can turn into a profitable venture. Gone are the days when gaming was just a hobby. Today, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry with endless opportunities to cash in. The mobile gaming industry has seen exponential growth, transforming the way we perceive gaming and its potential for income. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro gamer to make money from it. There are numerous ways to monetize your gaming skills. If you love playing games on your phone, you're already halfway there. Your enthusiasm can be the key to unlocking new financial opportunities. One of the easiest ways to get started is by streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch and YouTube. These platforms have millions of viewers looking for entertaining content. Find a game you're passionate about, build a loyal following, and watch the money roll in through ads, donations, and sponsorships. The more engaging your content, the more you can earn. Speaking of sponsorships, brands are constantly on the lookout for popular gamers to promote their products. This can be a lucrative source of income. Imagine getting paid to play the latest games and share your experiences with your audience. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. It's a dream come true. But that's not all. There are even more ways to earn from mobile gaming. You can also participate in mobile esports tournaments and compete for cash prizes. These events are becoming increasingly popular and accessible. These tournaments are popping up everywhere, offering huge prize pools and opportunities to turn your gaming skills into a lucrative career. The competition is fierce, but the rewards are worth it. And if you're feeling creative, you can even develop your own mobile games. This avenue allows you to bring your unique ideas to life. With the right idea and some basic coding knowledge, you could create the next viral sensation and rake in massive profits. The potential for success is immense. So, whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you in the mobile gaming industry. The possibilities are endless. So, grab your phone, start playing, and get ready to level up your life. The journey to turning your gaming passion into profit begins now. Let's face it, online shopping is taking over the world, and mobile is leading the charge. With the rapid advancements in mobile technology, our smartphones have become more than just communication devices. With e-commerce booming like never before, the opportunities are endless. There's never been a better time to turn your phone into a money-making machine. Imagine having a store that fits right in your pocket. Think about it. People are constantly glued to their phones, checking notifications, browsing social media, and of course, shopping. They are buying everything from clothes and electronics to groceries and even cars. And the best part, you don't need to own a physical store or invest in inventory to get a piece of the action. The digital landscape has leveled the playing field. One of the easiest ways to dive into mobile e-commerce is by dropshipping. Find a niche market that excites you. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify, which offer user-friendly interfaces and a plethora of tools to get you started, and partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping. This means you can focus on what you do best. You focus on marketing and customer service, ensuring your customers have a seamless shopping experience and they take care of the rest. It's that simple. The dropshipping model allows you to scale your business without the usual headaches. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The potential is vast and varied. You can also sell your own products online, whether it's handmade crafts, digital designs, or even online courses. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Udemy make it easier than ever to reach a global audience and start generating sales. These platforms provide the tools and audience you need to succeed. And don't forget about social media. It's a game changer in the e-commerce world. With billions of active users, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok have become powerful e-commerce platforms in their own right. Create engaging content, showcase your products, and watch the orders pour in. Social media allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level. The key to success in mobile e-commerce is to find a niche, build a strong brand that resonates with your target audience, and provide exceptional customer service. Happy customers are repeat customers. With hard work and dedication and a clear strategy, you can turn your phone into a thriving online business. The future of e-commerce is mobile, and the time to start is now. Hold up. What if I told you that you could get paid to use your phone like all the time? No, I'm not kidding. The world of freelance mobile marketing is booming, and they need talented people like you. Think about it. Businesses are desperate to reach their target audience on mobile, and that's where you come in. With your expert knowledge of social media, mobile advertising, and all things digital, you can help businesses crush their marketing goals and get paid top dollar for it. One of the hottest gigs in freelance mobile marketing is social media management. Businesses need help creating engaging content, running ads, and managing their online communities. If you're a social media whiz, this could be your dream job, but that's not all. You can also specialize in mobile advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, and even App Store optimization, ASO. The possibilities are endless. The best part about freelance mobile marketing is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, and choose the clients you want to work with. It's the ultimate side hustle or even a full-time career if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind. So, if you're looking for a way to make money on your phone, freelance mobile marketing is a no-brainer. Sharpen your skills, build your portfolio, and get ready to join the ranks of highly sought-after mobile marketing gurus. Do you have a passion for photography and an eye for capturing stunning shots? Well, guess what? You can turn that passion into profit with your phone. Mobile photography has exploded in recent years, and there are more opportunities than ever to monetize your skills. Gone are the days when you needed a fancy DSLR camera to take professional quality photos. Today's smartphones are equipped with incredible cameras that rival their professional counterparts. One of the easiest ways to make money from your mobile photography is by selling your photos online. Stock photo websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images to add to their libraries. Every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. It's a great way to generate passive income from your work. But that's not all. You can also sell your photos directly to businesses and individuals through your own website or online portfolio. Create stunning prints, offer digital downloads, or even license your images for commercial use. And don't forget about social media. Instagram in particular has become a hub for talented mobile photographers to showcase their work and connect with potential clients. The key to success in mobile photography is to develop your own unique style, master the art of editing, and build a strong online presence. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for photography into a profitable career. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible ways to turn your phone into a money-making machine. From app development and mobile gaming to e-commerce and freelance marketing, the opportunities are endless and exciting. Don't miss out on these opportunities. Give them a try and start earning today. Remember, the only limit is your own creativity, passion, and determination. If you found this video helpful and informative, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content and updates. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.